Hi, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into an essential topic that impacts millions of people worldwide: kidney health. Have you ever wondered how you can naturally improve the health of your kidneys? You're in the right place. In this video, we're sharing the 6 best natural drinks for your kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out harmful substances from our bodies. But what can you do to support these hardworking organs and keep them in excellent condition? The answer lies in the beverages you choose to consume. So, stay tuned as we reveal these fantastic drinks, backed by science, and show you how to easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Let's get started. Before we jump into our list, let's understand why kidney health is so important. Your kidneys are crucial for filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood, regulating electrolytes, and producing hormones that help control blood pressure and red blood cell production. When your kidneys are damaged, they can't perform these functions effectively, leading to a buildup of waste and fluids in your body. This can cause a range of health issues, from high blood pressure to heart disease. That's why it's essential to take care of your kidneys, starting with what you drink. While many of us stay hydrated, the problem often lies in what we're drinking. Too often, we reach for sugary drinks like juices, sweet tea, or soda, which can increase our risk of obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all leading contributors to kidney disease. These beverages are laden with hidden sugars and unhealthy additives that can harm your kidneys over time. So, what can we do to replace these sugary beverages with healthier options that promote kidney health? That's exactly what we're here to explore. Number 1, water. Water is the most essential and natural drink for maintaining kidney health. It plays a critical role in the functioning of your kidneys, which are responsible for filtering out waste products and excess fluids from the bloodstream. Adequate hydration ensures that your kidneys can efficiently perform these functions, preventing the buildup of toxins that can lead to kidney stones and other renal issues. One of the primary benefits of water is its ability to produce urine, the medium through which your body expels waste. When you drink enough water, your urine remains diluted, reducing the concentration of minerals that can form kidney stones. This process helps prevent the crystallization of substances like calcium, oxalate, and uric acid, which are the common components of kidney stones. Moreover, staying well hydrated helps maintain proper blood pressure levels. Dehydration can cause blood pressure to rise, which can strain the kidneys and lead to further damage over time. Water also supports the kidneys in balancing electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and phosphate, which are crucial for various bodily functions. To ensure you're drinking enough water, aim for about 8 8-ounce glasses, about 2 liters, per day, though individual needs can vary based on factors like activity level, climate, and overall health. Carrying a reusable water bottle, setting reminders to drink water, and starting your day with a glass of water are practical ways to maintain adequate hydration. Adding slices of lemon or cucumber to your water can enhance its flavor, making it more enjoyable to drink. This simple habit can significantly support your kidney health by keeping your hydration levels optimal, aiding in detoxification, and ensuring your kidneys function efficiently. Number 2, lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink that offers numerous benefits for kidney health. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which plays a crucial role in preventing the formation of kidney stones. Citric acid helps by increasing the levels of citrate in your urine, a natural inhibitor of kidney stone formation. Citrates bind with calcium, reducing the likelihood of calcium-forming stones. In addition to its stone-preventing properties, lemon water is also an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin C boosts the immune system and supports the body's ability to repair tissues, including those in the kidneys. Drinking lemon water can also help maintain a healthy pH balance in the body. Although lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect once metabolized, helping to neutralize acidity in the bloodstream. This can create an environment less conducive to the formation of kidney stones. Number 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is renowned for its benefits to kidney health, particularly in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Cranberries contain unique compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria, especially E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. This anti-adhesion property helps reduce the risk of infections that can ascend to the kidneys and cause significant damage. Beyond its anti-adhesion benefits, cranberry juice is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can lead to inflammation and damage within the kidneys, so antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. Cranberry juice also promotes overall urinary tract health by acidifying the urine, creating an environment less hospitable to harmful bacteria. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who are prone to recurrent UTIs, as maintaining a healthy urinary tract is essential for preventing infections that could impact the kidneys. When choosing cranberry juice, it's important to opt for 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Many commercially available cranberry juice cocktails are high in added sugars, which can be detrimental to kidney health and overall wellness. Unsweetened cranberry juice provides the benefits without the additional sugars that can contribute to obesity, diabetes, and other health issues. Number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a soothing and beneficial drink that offers numerous advantages for kidney health. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, can help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogal, play a crucial role in these health benefits. Inflammation is a common issue in various kidney conditions, and reducing it can help alleviate symptoms and slow the progression of kidney disease. By drinking ginger tea, you can help minimize inflammation in the kidneys, potentially improving their function and overall health. Ginger tea also aids in digestion and can help relieve nausea, which is often a side effect of treatments for kidney-related conditions. Improved digestion can indirectly support kidney health by ensuring that nutrients are adequately absorbed and waste products are efficiently processed and eliminated. To make ginger tea, start by peeling and slicing a small piece of fresh ginger root. Boil the slices in water for about 10 minutes, then strain the tea into a cup. You can enhance the flavor and benefits by adding a bit of honey or a squeeze of lemon. Drinking ginger tea regularly, especially in the morning or after meals, can be a delightful way to incorporate this beneficial drink into your routine. Additionally, ginger tea has diuretic properties, which can help increase urine production and flush out toxins, further supporting kidney function. By regularly consuming ginger tea, you can take advantage of its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive benefits, all of which contribute to maintaining healthy kidneys. Number 5. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea is a powerful natural drink that offers numerous benefits for kidney health. Dandelions are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium, which support overall health. However, one of the most significant benefits of dandelion tea is its diuretic properties, which promote increased urine production and help flush out toxins from the kidneys. As a natural diuretic, dandelion tea helps reduce fluid retention and prevent the buildup of waste products in the kidneys. By increasing urine output, dandelion tea aids in the elimination of excess sodium and waste, reducing the risk of kidney stones and other renal issues. This detoxifying effect supports the kidney's natural filtration process, enhancing their ability to maintain a healthy balance of electrolytes and fluids. Dandelion tea is also packed with antioxidants, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing cellular damage and supporting the overall health of the kidneys. Additionally, dandelion tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate inflammation in the kidneys, further promoting optimal kidney function. To prepare dandelion tea, you can use dried dandelion roots or leaves. Steep a teaspoon of dried dandelion root or leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can enhance the flavor with a bit of honey or lemon if desired. Drinking dandelion tea regularly can help support kidney health by promoting detoxification, reducing inflammation, and providing essential nutrients. Number 6. Green smoothies. Green smoothies are a nutrient-dense beverage that can significantly benefit kidney health. These smoothies typically combine leafy greens, such as spinach or kale, with various fruits and vegetables, creating a powerful blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This combination not only supports overall health but also provides specific benefits for maintaining healthy kidneys. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them ideal for individuals with kidney disease who need to manage their intake of these minerals. These greens are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Oxidative stress and inflammation can damage kidney cells, so consuming antioxidants is crucial for maintaining kidney health. Fruits such as berries, which are commonly used in green smoothies, are also beneficial for kidneys. Berries are high in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber while being relatively low in potassium compared to other fruits. The fiber content helps promote digestive health, which is important for the overall detoxification process that supports kidney function. Cucumbers and celery, often added to green smoothies, have high water content and provide additional hydration, which aids the kidneys in filtering out toxins. Hydration is key to preventing kidney stones and ensuring that waste products are efficiently flushed from the body. To prepare a kidney-friendly green smoothie, blend a handful of spinach or kale with a cup of berries, half a cucumber, and a splash of almond milk or water. You can also add a spoonful of chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. These seeds support heart health, which is closely linked to kidney health. Regularly consuming green smoothies can help you maintain a balanced intake of essential nutrients without overloading your kidneys with excessive potassium or phosphorus. By incorporating these nutrient-packed drinks into your daily diet, you can support kidney health, boost your immune system, and enhance overall well-being. Taking care of your kidneys is essential for maintaining overall health. By choosing these natural, kidney-friendly drinks, you can support your kidney function and prevent potential health issues. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please hit like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. And remember, your journey to better kidney health starts with the right choices. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next video.